Hi guys, my name is Kenan. So as a lot of you have probably seen, there are a lot of people on social media who use these things called light rings that pretty much make a giant ring around the camera or the phone so that when they're filming, it really illuminates their face and it brings out their features and especially their eyes instead of casting shadows on them. So what I thought would be a really fun project, since when I looked on Amazon and on different websites, these light rings were typically from like $30 to $40. And I thought it'd be a fun project since I was at home today to see if I could use the things that I have around my house to build one without spending any money. So that has been my challenge for today. And I actually have already found a lot of stuff and started putting some things together. So I wanted to track my progress and see how this works, if it's going to work, and show you the things that I come up with. So let's get started. So I found these great little pipes under our porch and started putting something together. So I actually was able to construct this structure that is just about eye level and was able to use these pipes to do that. And then I had some zip ties at home and also have this car thing that I did not end up using in my car to hold my phone, which ends up being perfect for this project. So I also ended up finding some Christmas lights that I'm going to use for the light part of the light ring. And I tried to see if I'd be able to connect it with zip ties. I'm not sure how this is going to go. Okay, here are a few other items I found for this project. Some aluminum foil, some wire, a Frisbee, cardboard, scissors. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of this, but from one of the ideas I saw online, they used a wire circle and wrapped foil around it and put the Christmas lights on there. So I was gonna try that. I don't think the Frisbee will work with the way that the phone holder is attached, but we'll see what we can come up with. So here we go. I'm actually just gonna use this Frisbee to cut a cardboard circle, and then I'm gonna use that cardboard circle as a base for the wire and the Christmas lights. So the light rings that I saw on sale online on Amazon were 10 inches in diameter. So it looks like this is really just about 10 inches in diameter. Let me see if I can cut out the center of it and start attaching the wire and lights. Okay, it's not absolutely perfect, but it's not like anyone's gonna see this circle anyways. So I'm gonna cover this in foil on, I'm not sure if I'll do it under the wire or over it. Let's see. Okay, so I have wrapped the tin foil around the cardboard circle, which looks pretty good if I do say so myself. I inserted the wire through the cardboard and foil and hung it kind of like an ornament on this pipe. But with the weight of the Christmas lights, I'm not sure that it's going to hold up. So I'm gonna see what I can do to minimize the pull of gravity of these, pretty long lights and see if I can get them to be supported on this structure. Oh. Okay, so what I've been able to do is wrap the lights around the circle several times and attach them with zip ties. Now I was just working on the angle and how to attach this better because it is a little heavy since it's the entire strand of lights connected to it. Right, so here is what we came up with. We were able to use the rest of the wire to more supportedly dangle this giant ring from this giant plastic structure. So now I'm gonna put my phone in it and take some selfies. Okay, so I think it's a little obvious. The lighting is maybe not completely perfect. I mean, it looks pretty good, but if you will go back and rewind to the beginning of this video and look at it then and then look at it now, I think that you will see a huge improvement in the lighting quality, and I'm excited to use this super ghetto janky structure to make some more YouTube videos. This will be really fun. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned, and we'll see what we can do with this.